Last episode, Alex rescued $400 a month from funding a stranger's champagne. Tonight, it's sitting in his account, doing nothing. In the next 8 minutes, I'm going to show you the little sleight of hand that turns it into $500,000. Whether you're the person trying to save your first $1,000 or the entrepreneur juggling revenue that never sits still, this order works for both of you. Same machine, different fuel. Here's the headline, labeled so you can check it. $400 a month, 30 years, 8% average, $596,459. No lottery, no crypto moonshot, just 5 steps in the right order. And the order is the whole trick. Get it wrong, and the same money leaks away. Step 1. $1,000 parked, doing nothing. That's the buffer. Its only job is standing between you and your credit card when a tire blows or a client pays late. Park it in a high-yield savings account, 4 to 5% instead of the 0.01 your bank pays. Same safety, 500 times the interest, 10 minutes to open. Step 2, the only place in finance where the word free is true, and most people walk straight past it every payday. The employer match. Every dollar you contribute up to the match is instantly doubled. 100% day one, guaranteed. Nothing on this planet beats it. Refusing the match isn't caution. It's turning down a raise because the paperwork looked boring. Self-employed? Same step, different door. A solo 401k or SEP IRA lets you match yourself and deduct it. The entrepreneur's version of free money is a smaller tax bill. Alex checks his benefits portal for the first time in 2 years. 3% match, $90 free a month he's been leaving on the table. Claimed in one form. Step 3. And this is where the plan grows teeth. Before another dollar gets invested, the expensive debt dies. Anything above roughly 7%. Credit cards first. Always. Because a card charging 24% is an investment in reverse. $5,000 of card debt on minimum payments becomes $11,700 paid. You bought everything twice. Flip it. Paying that card off is a guaranteed 24% return. Nothing legal beats it. Not stocks, not real estate, not your cousin's startup. Look at the staircase so far. Buffer, free match, dead debt. Each step protects the next one. That's why the order is the strategy. Step 4. The buffer grows into a real emergency fund. 3 to 6 months of essentials if you're salaried. 6 to 12 if your income is irregular. Yes, entrepreneurs, that's you. This money will feel useless for years. That's the point. It's not an investment. It's the license that makes investing survivable because you'll never be forced to sell at the worst moment. Calm is a funded account. And now, step 5, the one everyone wants to skip to, the investing. And here's where I save you from 90% of the noise. Don't pick stocks. Buy everything. An index fund is one purchase that owns a slice of the 500 biggest companies at once. Losers fall out. New giants slot in. The fund cleans itself forever while you sleep. The professionals with research teams and Bloomberg terminals, 90% of them lose to that boring index over 15 years. You won't out-trade them from your phone at lunch. Stop trying. Start owning. One detail worth a fortune. Fees. 1% versus 0.03 sounds like nothing. On this plan, it's over $100,000 of difference. Read the fee line before you buy. Where it lives. A Roth IRA for most people. Taxed money in, tax-free forever out. Entrepreneurs. Your SEP from Step 2 doubles as the home. Automate the buy. Same amount, same day, every month. That rhythm has a name. Dollar cost averaging. And a superpower. When the market drops, your 400 quietly buys more shares. Everyone else's panic becomes your discount. A crash is the only sale this store ever has. 2000, 2008, 2020. The 8% average already includes every one of those disasters, and the line still ends higher. And here's what your brain can't picture. Year 1, the interest is pocket change. Year 20, the interest out-earns your deposits. Year 30, the machine adds more every year than you ever did. That's why starting now beats starting big. 400 at 25 beats 1,000 at 40. And if 400 isn't possible yet, 100 on the same plan is still $149,000. Want a witness? Remember the yacht from last episode? The one everybody rented for those? Ethan was there too. The plane guy nobody photographed. Ask him where 8 million started. 300 a month, 1998, a boring index fund. 26 years of the same transfer on the same day through every crash. He says the hardest part wasn't the money, it was staying boring while everyone looked brilliant. 3 mistakes murder this plan in the wild: checking the account daily, pausing contributions during crashes, and never raising the amount when your income rises. Kill all 3, because even $50 more a month is another $74,000 at the finish line. The plan should get a raise every single time you do. Now assemble the whole machine. Payday hits. The match comes out first, invisible. The auto transfer feeds the fund. The auto buy feeds the index. All of it done before you even wake up. What's left is yours, guilt-free. Willpower is a battery. Systems are infrastructure. Every wealthy person you admire runs on infrastructure. Every broke high earner you know runs on willpower and apologies. 1 year after closing that payment app, Alex's machine holds $9,200. Nobody has liked it, nobody has seen it. It's the first thing he's ever built that doesn't need an audience. Quick screenshot moment. 1, $1,000 buffer, high yield. 2, grab the full match, or the SEP if you're your own boss. 3, kill everything above 7%. 4, real emergency fund. 5, index automated forever. Oh, one last scene from a Miami dinner this week. Chloe, post-reality check, seated next to the most boring man she's ever met. Plain shirt, old watch. He ordered the second cheapest wine and seemed happy about it. Then his phone lit up. A brokerage notification. 1 second, that's all she saw. But Chloe has spent years reading numbers on other people's screens, and this one had more digits than any caption she's ever written. Suddenly, boring became fascinating. Remember this dinner. We'll be doing the math on it later. Your homework is 1 action tonight. Before the motivation fades, open the high-yield account, 10 minutes. Then set 1 automatic transfer, any amount. The behavior is the machine. The number is just fuel. So build it tonight. Let it run for a decade before you judge it, and let everyone else keep performing wealth while yours quietly performs interest. The boring plan doesn't photograph well. It just works. That's the machine, end to end, in 8 minutes. This is mind money, where the boring math beats the beautiful lie every time. Next episode, credit cards. The $11,000 trap hiding in your wallet, and the 3 rules that flip it. Subscribe so it finds you. I'll see you there.